Hi, I'm Andrea. Welcome to my channel.
Hi. So this is part 3, or might be part 2 of the video, or could even be part 4. So anyway, this is the next bit anyway of the video, and I'm actually going to install the USB-C cable on this case, on the Fractal Design Pop XL Air case. And so I'll put a little photo in of the actual screws and things that we have to remove. But the top of the case here, there's kind of a little section we just need to remove. So we just undo. I've removed the actual hard drive caddy tray. So I'm going to unscrew this on here. I'm hoping not to actually try to look up a little bit how to do it. So this is kind of still really my first attempt at doing this, so I'm hoping that I get it right. But it's quite a good thing. Of course, obviously, if you do get the USB-C cable, make sure, of course, your motherboard has the actual fitting, because you've got USB-C that side, and which pops out the case, and then that bit goes onto your motherboard. And I've checked the motherboard I've got here does actually have that connector on there, which is good. And so I wasn't exactly sure. So this pops out here. So just a little plastic bit on here. So you can see on there at all, just a little plastic. But to keep that safe, because you never know, you might want that again, perhaps, or you may never want that again. But yes, USB-C is, of course, symmetrical, so it shouldn't really matter which way round it goes, I don't think. So that will pop into, just make sure that it's got a couple of little grooves here for it to go into. So again, I'll just put that one behind these cables, and this one go, if I've got it correct on here, that's in there. Yes, I can see that poking through there. So then I'll just pop in the screws here, and again just tighten up, not too tight to start with. These screws are tapered as well at the end, or pointy at the end, sort of thing. So you can see that on there, whether you can see that. These are kind of pointy screws, because they're going into plastic, but also are they going into metal? I don't know. So anyway, but as long as that holds in place, again, if you are screwing into plastic, don't over tighten, because you'll basically cross thread everything and make it all come out loose again. So just do it sort of kind of gently, and just till you think that's in. So that's in, seems fairly rigid. Just check this side again, just a tiny little bit there, but don't really put loads of force into it, because obviously you're going to sort of ruin the actual connection. But so that's cable is now in there, and that's ready to be plugged into the motherboard. And again, this add-on costs about £15, or similar in euros, 16 euros maybe, and about probably $15 to $20 it would cost to buy, because we had to pay postage separately, which is about and of course it's charged about £5 to send it, sort of thing. But if you can see in there, I'll probably, if we can zoom in on the camera, or in the editing, so it's just in here. So that's where it goes. And you've got, along the top panel here, there is, if I check, you've got your power switch. You've got, I thought it was a reset switch at first, but there's a little switch here which you can press, which changes the colours of the fans, if I get that working correctly on there. And you've got, again, a headphone output, or even speaker output, and you've got also microphone input on here as well, which obviously if you connect up the connector to the motherboard, then you'll be able to do that. And of course, obviously USB 3 ports on here, and now we've got a USB-C port as well. So that's yeah, pretty good. So could because USB 4, well, that's, I think, is out or just coming out or something. I think there's some high-end motherboards with that on, but USB 4, well, you probably have to use the back of the motherboard if they've got USB 4 connector on the back or something on there, but I don't know what uses USB 4 yet. No doubt something will, but anyway, so but at least that's USB-C, which is USB 3.2 standard, is it? Let me know in the comments. And anyway, so that's one little thing there. Okay, so a little short video, and thank you for watching, and please like and subscribe, and again, the next video I'll be fitting the hard drives, and then after that it'll be the motherboard. Okay, thank you all for watching. Bye.
Thank you all for watching today's video. I hope you've really enjoyed it. And please remember to like and subscribe and hit the bell icon if you want to get notifications for future videos.